Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix unavailable stories on Instagram. If you're new to the channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below. And once you've done that, please leave a like down below and let's get started. I will guide you in how to fix Instagram stories that are unavailable. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go on to your Instagram account. Now, once you're in your Instagram account and you'll watch stories such as this one that says this story is no longer available. Now, what you're going to do is to go to a browser. This both works on the iOS and Android. So once you're in the browser, you may type in is Instagram down. And once the results are in, you may click on the down detector website. Now, once you're in the website, this tells that as of now, there is no problem that is reported for the Instagram app. And you can also see a graph and a chart that shows views of the problem of the Instagram app. But if you still have a problem with your Instagram account and you want to solve these, you might try closing the Instagram app on your phone and you can go back again to start the app. And once you're in your account, try refreshing all the posts and the stories and also the messages and try watching again the stories that was unavailable earlier. I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and stay updated for more tutorials.